Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2007 BL Kia Sorento EX. This vehicle shape ran from the 2nd month 2003 to the 9th month 2009. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a G6DB 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an all-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. We have the left-hand rear door. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels, left rear has a good tyre. And the tailgate appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover, tow bar cutout, right hand tail light. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels, right rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door, right hand front door, right hand power door mirror. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre, and we have the right hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior, has a driver's power window master switch, tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, tidy automatic transmission gear lever, factory AC controls, factory single stack CD player, has a tidy left hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right hand sun visor, has an automatic transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.